ইয়েস, মিস শোভা, আপনার সময় হচ্ছে সন্ধ্যা 6টা থেকে রাতে ঘুমানো পর্যন্ত, সন্ধ্যা থেকে ঘুমানো পর্যন্ত।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Farjana Akhtar Shobha. I would like to share my daily routine with all of you. So normally in the evening I cook food for my family and perform my salad. After that, I work with a freelancer for 2 or 3 hours. After finishing my work, I pray Isha Salat, having dinner with my family. Then I attend online classes. After finishing my classes, clean up my bed and arrange everything and go to for sleep. Thanks everyone.
Wow, very well done, Miss Shobha. The best thing I liked about your presentation is your smiling face, যে আপনি একটা হাস্যজ্জ্বল মুখে এই নার্ভাসনেসটা কাটিয়ে উঠে বলার চেষ্টা করেছেন, চিন্তা করে বলার চেষ্টা করেছেন। It shows that you have practice and your dedication towards practicing English more. Thank you so much and congratulations, and I hope that you keep practicing this way so that আমাদের কোর্স শেষ হতে হতে আপনি একজন
Assalamu alaikum.
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম স্যার, হাউ আর ইউ?
I am fine, and you?
I am also doing great. Okay, Miss Ayman, so আপনার টাইম সন্ধ্যা থেকে রাতে ঘুমানো পর্যন্ত।
Usually at 5:30 p.m. I arrive my home and wash my face and hand. Then I eat some snack. After eating some snacks, I go mosque for Maghrib Salat. After Maghrib Salat, I start study. I study for an hour. After studying, I eat dinner with my family. After having dinner, I watch mobile for half an hour. Then I make my bed and go for sleep.
Well done, Mr. Ayman. Thank you so much. It was very nice, and it felt like যে আপনি মুখস্থ না বলে নিজের মতোই নিজের রুটিনটি বলার চেষ্টা করেছেন। And I hope that you keep up your practice so that by the end of this course you can become a wonderful speaker. Thank you so much and good luck.